Southern Palladium, ASX, SPD, has announced the completion of an optimized pre-feasibility study over the Bengwenyama Platinum Group Metals project in South Africa. The study outlines a new stage development strategy aimed at reducing upfront capital requirements and improving funding optionality. The project, 70% owned by SPD, now carries a post-tax net present value of $857 million or 1.3 billion Australian dollars, with an internal rate of return of 26.4%. This valuation is based on a basket price of $1,557 per 6E ounce, which is 6% below the current PGM basket price of $1,662. Prepared by independent consultants Minxcon, the optimized PFS introduces a two-stage production plan. Stage 1 targets an initial output of 100,000 tonnes per annum, increasing to 200,000 tonnes per annum in Stage 2 after 4 years. The new strategy slashes the project's peak funding requirement to $279 million, a 38% reduction from the original estimate in the prior PFS. This shift is expected to improve financing flexibility and enable SPD to pursue debt project financing with less dilution. Importantly, Stage 1 is projected to be cash flow positive on a standalone basis, with operating costs in both stages remaining within the lowest global quartile for PGM operations. Managing Director Johan Odendaal said, "We are pleased to announce the results of the optimized pre-feasibility study for the Tier 1 Bengwenyama project, where our primary aim has been to reduce the initial capital requirement. A staged development approach, reducing peak funding requirements by $173 million to $279 million, presents a highly attractive option for shareholders." Southern Palladium is also assessing the use of existing regional mineral processing infrastructure, which could deliver additional capex reductions. Meanwhile, the company is progressing toward a definitive feasibility study, underpinned by a fully funded program of infill drilling and metallurgical test work. Next milestones for the project include issuance of the mining right, completion of remaining drilling, and ultimately the final investment decision. Thanks again for joining us. Visit www.stocksurge.com.au to subscribe.